I had proposed 50% reduction in road taxes. And this, had generated a lot of heat. You people yourself were asking me whether when we are not having any money, how are you reducing? I said, this is a game changer. We will not only get more taxes or more revenue, but we will gain in overall in more ways than one. Now, other than me speaking, I have figures speaking for me. From four-wheeler, from pre-road tax reduction, it was 1 crore 99 lakhs in only 8 days time. Now it is 3 crore 63 lakhs. It is almost 1 crore 63 lakhs difference is there. GST collection, which was only 4 crore 59 lakhs 92,000, is today 13 crore 55 lakhs 40,786. म्हणजे कितलं increase झालं रे कोयमध्ये? Almost 8.5 crore it has increased, the GST collection. It has increased by 1.5 crore. 9.5 crore overall increase on four-wheelers. 9.5 crore in only 8 days time. Here it is increase of GST 125 and 244. So it is increase of again 120 almost 100 and including the road tax and GST 101 crore 25 lakhs increase overall. So is this not a overall gain for the this government of Goa? In 8 days time, mentioned to the people of Goa that we will be giving you sufficient time. So don't think that only the dates mentioned and announced by newspaper ads, after that you are going to be fined, you are going to be punished. We will give you sufficient time. From the contractor side, certainly there was a problem. He has now promised the transport department that he will put things in place and streamline the fixing of these number plates so that nobody has a problem. And we have installed some cameras. You may not notice that. We are in the process of installing more sophisticated cameras. Tomorrow when the challenges come to your residences, to you, then you should not blame us that we are on a fining spree. If you don't break the queue, if you move in a single line, सगळ्यांक बऱ्याक पडटलें.